Welcome back, students. Now we'll be discussing the important questions of Introduction to Information Technology Unit 2 for BBA second year, third semester. Introduction to Information System. Okay. So now when you look, the unit looks so small. So it is. So the important concepts from this unit are, okay, you will have to know what is data information knowledge, DIK. Okay, now information system, like you have got the levels of management system, the three levels of management system. Okay, same way you have got information system at three levels. Okay, so how are these three levels? We'll just give a quick review and types of information system we will have to go through it. EIS, yes, you will have to go to the top management information system that is used by executives, and then we have got database management system. Okay, let's go through it. Okay, to start with, you will have to go through this definition of DIK. Nothing much about it. Once you go through it, you will understand. And then the difference between D and I, which is data and information, and then comes your information system. Now here starts your most important topics of the unit. What is information system? Define that. Then we'll discuss the types of information. Then that we have got MIS, and we have got EIS. Okay, MIS is continuing till here. Then we have got DSS, decision support system, and then moving forward, you will have to draw the diagrams for this like this. Explain about them. And not this much explanation is required. Just little explanation if you give, that would be enough. Now, like I've told you the levels. So like I've told you the levels of management system. Same way. See, this way if you put it, you will have bottom level, middle level, and top level management system, right? Now what are we doing? We know that these are the management system, but when they use their how do they do their daily transactions, or how do they use computers in converting data into information and then into knowledge? So the same pyramid we will draw and we will know. So what happens here and what happens here? So here we'll be using TPS, which is transaction processing system, and then we would be using your management information system, which will be given to that, or else we'll be using decision support system. Okay, this two we would be using in the middle level management, and then we'll be giving to executive information system. So now you can relate with the levels of management and this what type of technology is being used. So in this unit you will have to understand basic things about this, like how do they work, what do they record, what are their components, what are the advantages and disadvantages. Once you're thorough with all these things, no matter questions you would be getting from any of this, especially from EIS, you would be getting the question. So make sure that you read it at any cost. Okay, so once we are completed with information system, the next concepts would be differences between three types of information system. So we've got operational, tactical, and strategical. Once you read this, you will be understanding how it works. Without elaborating the video much, I'm just giving the important questions, so no detailed explanation would be given in the video. If required, you can drop a comment. Now next important comes from database management system. Now DBMS, how your data is being managed. Organizations do not have less information, they've got huge amount of information. How, where do they store it, and how is the management system? DBMS speaks about it. So here you will have to learn about the functions of DBMS and advantages and disadvantages of DBMS, types of DBMS, hierarchical network, relational database system, object oriented database system. So once you read this, you will have what are the social and ethical issues coming when you are using information system. So when you speak about information system or when you speak about computers, the first point comes as hacking with unauthorized access. So here you will have to make sure that your data is secure. So what are the ethical concerns that come about this information system? So these are all the topics that you would be reading from unit 2. Thank you.